Friendship is one of the most essential parts of life. It has been said that no man is an island, which implies that friendships are an integral part of being human. People interact with one another both directly and indirectly in different ways and forms, some of which are based on what we know as the friendship bond. Friendship is a two-way street that is built on mutual respect, trust, and understanding. This bond can either be long-lasting and strong or fragile and short-term, depending on the individuals involved. To have a successful friendship, both parties must be committed, honest, and willing to accept each other for who they are, despite their differences. Although some people have plenty of acquaintances, only a few are given the privilege to form a true bond of friendship. A connection so strong is capable of fostering a positive environment that cannot be easily broken. These bonds often require time and effort, but are worth the investment, as the depth of the relationship will no doubt be beneficial to both involved. In this video, we are going to present you with 7 ways to make your friendship bond stronger, to enjoy the deep, immeasurable rewards of friendship. Number 1. Spend time together. Spending time with friends is a great way to strengthen friendship bonds. Getting together to do activities can be incredibly enjoyable and can help to solidify the friendship. Going out to do fun activities together, such as going to the movies, out to dinner, or having game nights, can be incredibly entertaining. This gives you the opportunity to chat and get to know each other better. Additionally, you can enjoy each other's company and make fabulous memories. During such outings, you can share your thoughts and feelings with each other, which can help create a strong bond between the two of you. During lunch or dinner, you can chat about different topics, from what's going on in your life to who's your favorite singer. Doing things together can be a great time and result in a strong friendship bond. Number 2. Share your talents. Having friends to share our talents with is a great way to bond and strengthen a friendship. After all, being able to express ourselves and share our talents is an important aspect of any friendship. Showing off our talents to friends can help build our friendship and create a deeper connection. We can inspire one another with our natural creative abilities and talents and use our skills to support each other. We can also challenge one another by teaching new skills or pushing each other to improve in the area we're interested in. When we lend support and cheer each other on, our friendship bonds are strengthened even further. Ultimately, it's important to realize the value of sharing our talents with friends, as it can be a great way to foster friendship and grow as a group. Number 3. Express gratitude and appreciation. Good friends are invaluable in life because of the countless number of ways they comfort us, bring us joy, and are a shoulder to lean on when times are tough. The very least we can do for our friends is to express our appreciation for their friendship, support, and loyalty. Showing thankfulness and appreciation does not require anything special. A simple gesture such as a thoughtful card, a hug, an invitation for coffee, or even taking time to listen and talk to your friend can go a long way in strengthening your bond with them. Saying thank you for their time and companionship will not only let them know that you value their presence, it will also make them feel special. So, for the times when words are hard to find, take your friend for a leisurely stroll and show your appreciation for their endless kind gestures. Number 4. Stay in touch. It is important to make sure you stay connected with your friends, both near and far. Staying in touch with them helps to maintain the bond between the two of you. Depending on the type of friendship one has, there can be a variety of ways to stay in contact, from texting or emails to the occasional phone call. Making sure to contact them at least once a month will help to keep the friendship going strong. It can be easy to take a friendship for granted, yet staying connected is important for allowing that special bond to grow. From making contact to planning activities, it is essential to show how much you care and appreciate your friend. Taking the time to stay in touch will ensure that your friendship continues to be strong and deep for years to come. Number 5. Get out of the comfort zone. Creating and sustaining meaningful friendships means getting out of your comfort zone and doing new activities. Getting out of your comfort zone and doing new activities with your friends doesn't always mean you have to go big. It can be something as simple as having a party in your backyard, going for a long drive or a picnic, or even a short visit to the local museum. Doing these activities together allows the both of you to spend time together and talk about your different interests, opinions, and thoughts. You also get to learn new things about each other. It's a great way to bond and understand each other. Getting out of the comfort zone and doing new activities can create wonderful memories that can be cherished for a long time. Number 6, develop shared interests. Having shared interests is a great way to nurture a friendship bond. When you share conversation topics and activities that you both enjoy, it strengthens the relationship you have, making it feel more authentic and long-lasting. Developing strong shared interests might also lead to discovering further things that you enjoy doing together, and conversations may spark ideas, or a new activity may be introduced that both of you will take an interest in. Taking the time to have intentional conversations with each other helps to deepen your friendship bond. Furthermore, it is important to make sure that each of your friends can bring their interests and ideas into the friendship too. This approach could show interest in broadening the activities that the two of you engage in and could deepen the friendship in the process. Number 7, be accepting. One of the most important aspects of having a strong friendship bond is being accepting. In order to have strong, meaningful relationships, it is essential to accept yourself and your friends for who they are. When you are able to accept your friends without judgment, you create an environment for sustained connection, trust, and understanding. It is important to value the unique attributes and qualities of each individual and the way your friends enhance your life. When you make an effort to accept them, even when their thoughts, beliefs, or personalities differ from your own, it can help create stronger bonds and a deeper level of understanding. This kind of understanding deepens a friendship bond and creates a deeper level of trust and connection. When we are non-judgmental and open to understanding each other's differences, we can create an even stronger friendship bond. Developing strong friendships is essential to finding success and happiness in life. When you are in strong relationships with other people, you can grow personally and professionally, find comfort in times of stress, and be given wise counsel from a trusted individual. The tips discussed can help you to take small steps towards maintaining a healthier and stronger friendship bond. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the icon to stay tuned to such helpful content. Thanks for watching.